So one time I saw this app on the App Store that had crazy number of 5-star reviews and I couldn't figure it out. And then I saw how their ask for a review pattern worked. And I can't decide if this is a dark pattern or not, but I know that worked really, really well. And it's not like crazy sketchy. So I just wanted to show you how it works. So you trigger it automatically usually, and it says, do you like the app? If you say no, then it asks, what can we do better? And then if you do yes, then it says, would you rate it 5 stars? This is the part that's maybe a little dark patterny. If you say no, then it asks, what can we do better? So if you do yes, I'm liking it, yes, I'm rating 5 stars, then it shows you that. That's it. That's the whole flow. Now the version that I saw, actually, if you clicked no, then it would just kind of disappear. It wouldn't ask for feedback. But I'm adding this feedback section in because I do think the feedback stuff is really important. The only thing I am going to do is in my little method to trigger this bottom sheet, I'll have a little Boolean that says, do you want to ask for feedback or not? And if I want to ask for feedback, it'll show this. If not, then it will just dismiss it, kind of like the other app. The other thing you'll notice here is I'm actually recording analytics here for all of the reactions to this. The analytics event is called feedback vibe check, and then it tells it if they liked it, if they wanted to rate it 5 stars, and then any feedback that they might have given. That goes both to a Discord channel and it goes to PostHog, and it also goes to Firestore. So I don't know. I thought it was a cool thing and figured it might be useful to some of you guys. So thank you.